Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be going over how to make a basic chocolate covered Oreo. All you need for this are some Oreos, an Oreo mold, and if you're just starting out, Almond Bark is great for beginners. I also use these silicone cups to heat my chocolate. I'll be adding the link for these and the Oreo molds below. Let's get started. Now when heating your chocolate, microwave at 30-second intervals, stirring in between until you reach your desired consistency. Once we've heated our chocolate, pour a little bit into each mold. Now place your Oreos into the mold, pressing down slightly. Keep in mind that if you push the Oreo down too far, it will be seen through the chocolate, especially if you're using white chocolate. Okay, here I'm going to show you what happens when you cover your Oreos right away. Now once your Oreos are covered, pound out any air bubbles that you may have. Oh my gosh! To the other side. So for this side, once we push our Oreos in, we are not going to cover it right away. We're going to pop it in our freezer for about 5 minutes. And we are still pounding out those air bubbles. To the freezer. And we're back. Now that our chocolate is set, we are going to cover the other side of our Oreos. Again, we're going to pound it out. Now you can already see the difference between the two sides. Now don't get me wrong, both sides are still going to be a chocolate covered Oreo. I just wanted to show you the difference. Now that everything is set, let's pop out our Oreos. They should pop out easily. If not, they're not ready to come out yet, so put it back in the freezer. Here's a closer look at the difference between the two. You can see one has a really clean, flat bottom and the other has a lip. That thin chocolate lip just leaves a little bit of a messy look. It creates a lot of chocolate shavings and can be a problem when you're packaging your Oreos. Especially if you added a cute design to it. You don't want those chocolate shavings all inside your packaging. Let's move on to making drizzle for our Oreos. If you don't have a piping bag, that is not a problem. Just get a piece of saran wrap, twist it up, and you're gonna poke a tiny hole with a toothpick. Arrange your Oreos on the parchment paper so you have enough space. Squeeze your bag slightly and go swiftly back and forth. Continue doing that for the rest of your Oreos. Also, all these leftover drizzle pieces can be put back into your silicone mold to be reheated and reused. And there you have it, the chocolate covered Oreo. Thanks for watching.